Hey guys, in this video tutorial, I am going to show you that, how can you create the snake game using Python idle. Even you can create more such types of games using the same. For that, you have to download these 3 modules in your system. Once you download, you have to go back and open command prompt. Just search for it on Start button. You will see a black window of command prompt. You have to type here Python mpip install Freegames. After typing you have to press enter key and it will get installed in your system. Here I have already installed. Now type Python m Freegames list, this will show you the list of games.
Now you would be able to see the following lists of the games like Snake, Cannon, Maze, Crypto, Minesweeper, Tic-Tac-Toe, etc. For all these games, we can code using Python. Now type Python m Freegames help. You will see here how can you use the abbreviations for prompt. Let me just scroll the window so that you can see it clearly. Here we have to use double dash before typing help. This here shows you the abbreviations to be used in command prompt. Use list to get list of games. Use copy to copy game source code and show to show game source code. Last but not the least, type Python m Freegames Snake, because we are creating snake game in this tutorial. We have to use dot between Freegames and Snake. After typing press enter key. You will see Python game graphics will open and snake game will start. So amazing, that we are very close to our aim today. Now you have to open the Python idle application of above 3.6 version. Now we will use the code to create the game. You can pause the video to type code, as it's not too long, or even you can find it in description within 1 to 2 days. Let's open the Python application. You will see such window will open, got to file then click on new file, here we will code. So this is the code I have already copied, now I will paste it here. Here you can see the turtle import, random import and Freegames import for which we downloaded those 3 modules in the starting. You can see, it's not too long. Now just click on run and then run module. Click OK to save the source code and name the file as you want. Here I am saving a snake game Python and use the extension .py. Click Save option. Now it will run the source code and in a while you will get the game graphics box again, but this time you can play it. So here we are, I am playing as you can see the green snake is moving. So amazing it is while playing. You will find it easier when you will do this on your own. So with this we came to the end of our today's tutorial. You will get this source code in the description box. Here we used 3 tools for this game, as you can see. So this make the end of our tutorial. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.